Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday evening, October 8th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of finance news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline. Healthcare Triangle announces warrant inducement for aggregate gross proceeds of approximately $478,000. Healthcare Triangle, Inc. has announced a warrant inducement for aggregate gross proceeds of approximately $478,000. The company has entered into warrant exercise agreements with certain investors to exercise outstanding warrants for gross cash proceeds. In exchange, the exercising holders will receive new unregistered warrants to purchase up to an aggregate of 239,051 shares of common stock. The new warrants have an exercise price of $3 per share and will expire 5 years from the date of issuance. The exercise of the existing warrants and the issuance of the new warrants are expected to occur on October 8th, 2025. The gross proceeds from the warrant inducement are expected to be approximately $478,000, excluding any proceeds that may be received upon the exercise of the new warrants and before deducting financial advisor fees and other expenses payable by the company.
Rock breaks. Fairchild Gold Corp to acquire Golden Arrow project in Nevada for $5 million. Fairchild Gold Corp, listed on the TSXV as FAIR, has entered into a memorandum of understanding to acquire the Golden Arrow project in Nevada for $5 million. This acquisition will give Fairchild a 100% interest in the advanced stage gold property, expanding their total land position by 170% to 64.5 square kilometers. The Golden Arrow project boasts a historic resource of 420,000 ounces of gold, with an average grade of 0.75 grams per ton, and has undergone over 61,000 meters of drilling. As part of the deal, Fairchild will issue 12.5 million shares, a $3.5 million secured note, and a 0.5% NSR royalty to Emergent Metals Corp. Guy Lozier, a veteran mining engineer from Barrick, Newmont, and Agnico Eagle, will be appointed as technical director to advance the project's development.
3 ASX tech stocks to buy now and win big. The global technology sector is buzzing with potential, and 3 emerging ASX technology companies are making waves in AI, data innovation, and medical technology. Wealth Within highlights the breakout potential of smaller-cap companies in fast-growing industries like Weebit Nano, Nanosonics, and BrainChip Holdings. Weebit Nano is on the verge of a breakthrough in memory technology, while Nanosonics is showing strong momentum in health tech with a potential rally towards $7 levels. BrainChip Holdings is paving the way in neuromorphic computing with a breakout above 40 cents, signaling a new bullish cycle. Learn to spot these opportunities early and trade with confidence through Wealth Within's advanced stock trading courses, designed to help you read the market before others catch on. Visit Wealth Within's website to take the next step in trading like a professional.
Beeline Holdings, CEO Nick Liuzza, on latest Tech Media Wire podcast episode. Beeline Holdings, Inc. CEO and co-founder Nick Liuzza discusses the company's mission to modernize mortgage lending for millennial and Gen Z buyers on the latest episode of the Tech Media Wire podcast. Beeline has achieved debt-free status ahead of schedule and aims for positive cash flow by Q1 2026. The company, headquartered in Providence, Rhode Island, is revolutionizing property financing through its fully digital AI-powered platform, offering a faster, smarter path to home loans for primary residences and investment properties. For more information, visit the Tech Media Wire podcast.
OptimumBank Holdings, Inc., NY American OPHC, posts 3.6 matter Q2 earnings, surpasses $1 billion in assets, will showcase achievements at national conferences. OptimumBank Holdings, Inc., listed on the NYSE American under the ticker symbol OPHC, announced second quarter earnings of $3.6 million, along with surpassing $1 billion in total assets. Chairman Moish Gubin will showcase the bank's achievements at the LD Micro Main Event 19 in San Diego on October 19 to 21st, as well as at the Jewish National Fund Global Conference in Hollywood, Florida on October 23 to 26. OptimumBank recently sponsored the 2025 Brokers Expo in New York, emphasizing its commitment to small businesses. Founded in 2000, OptimumBank is focused on community banking and is making a national impact with its upcoming conference appearances.
Izotropic Corp, OTQZF, expands commercialization strategy with $375K financing, investor awareness agreements, and breakthrough personalized radiation dose breast CT. Izotropic Corp achieves a major milestone in breast imaging with its personalized radiation dose feature in the IzoView breast CT system. The company recently secured a $375,000 private placement and engaged new PR partners for enhanced investor communications. With the global breast imaging market projected to reach $8.69 billion by 2030, Izotropic is strategically positioned to lead the market. The IzoView breast CT system offers personalized radiation doses based on patient composition and breast size, improving workflow efficiency and prioritizing patient safety. This innovation sets Izotropic apart in the field of breast cancer imaging solutions. As investors look for safety, gold producers with cash flow are emerging as the market's next leaders. As investors seek safety, gold producers with cash flow are emerging as the market's next leaders. Spot gold continues to climb, reaching over $3,800 per ounce, while silver hits a 14-year high. Central banks are buying record amounts of gold, signaling a trend away from the dollar. With gold at all-time highs, well-managed mining firms like ESGold Corp are poised to benefit. ESGold, with production planned for 2026, offers scale and upside unmatched by many juniors. Other players in the precious metals market include Teck Resources Limited, B2Gold Corp, Hudbay Minerals Inc., and Triple Flag Precious Metals Corp., all vying for attention in this lucrative sector. Newton Golf Company, NASDAQ WTG, meets high standards in golf equipment quality. Newton Golf Company, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol NWTG, is known for its high standards in golf equipment quality. Their innovative products like the Fast Motion Driver Shaft and Newton's Gravity Putters are designed to improve player performance, confidence, and enjoyment. By investing in precision-engineered clubs and accessories, golfers can achieve consistency, power, and control on the course. Properly fitted clubs can lead to greater accuracy and distance, enhancing the overall game experience. Newton Golf Company caters to both amateur enthusiasts and professional golfers, positioning itself as a key player in the competitive golf equipment market. For more information on NWTG, visit their newsroom online.
Numa Numa Resources, Inc. is one to watch. Numa Numa Resources, Inc. has agreements to develop the Panguna mine, estimated at $100 billion in copper and gold reserves. The company's diverse projects in mining, lime production, and energy infrastructure position it for multi-stream revenue generation. With leadership experienced in Bougainville and worldwide capital markets, Numa Numa is well-placed in the global economic trends for gold and copper. Numa Numa Resources focuses on unlocking opportunities in Bougainville, where its management has lived and worked for 10 years. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. This segment was brought to you by Mining Newswire, a specialized communications platform focusing on developments in the global mining and resources sectors.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.